If you fucking with me, really fucking with me, you let them put their hands in your pants. Be my love freak. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is C. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Now, as you can see by the title of this video, I am doing a hair review / tutorial. So definitely stick around to see how I lay this wig. So guys, this is the wig. This is a 6-inch wig. I got this from AliExpress from the NA style. I don't know if it's NA style or NA style hair. This is a 13x4 colored human hair wig. This is a Pixie wig. It says it's 180% density, which for a short wig it does seem really full. I did already cut the lace on this unit. In the inside construction, you get 3 combs at the top, and then you have one in the back plus the elastic straps. I did wash this wig, and this wig is really nice. It's colored perfectly. I can't wait to put this hair on. This is definitely the perfect summer spring hair. Weather's about to start getting nice. You know, sometimes you don't want all that long hair up on your neck, so this is perfect. So if I'm looking away from the camera, that's only because I'm looking in the mirror here. You definitely can get some play with this wig here. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to stop talking, stop all that yap, and I'm gonna just let you enjoy looking at me install this wig, and then I'll be back towards the end.
All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, yeah.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. 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 I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby?
all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let.
Okay, y'all, so we are back, and my hair is dry from when I put some water and mousse in it. However, I do like the wavy look, but then again, I also want a few little curls in the front of this wig. So I have a new small curler. I got this on Amazon, which I will leave in the description box below for anyone that is interested in this. Now, I don't know how to pronounce the name. I don't know if it's Terviiix. I'm not for sure, but again, like I said, link will be in the description box below. This is a 3/8 inch thin curling iron. Looks as such. So what comes in the box, of course, is the iron. It did come with the heat protective glove, which I love. I love. And it also comes with a manual. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I love these, which are the little protective that protects the actual plug. I love these. All right, we're gonna get this baby hot and ready, and we'll be right back. One thing I can't say is that this thing heats up really fast. It does have the cooling tip. I'm scared to touch it. Also has the resting clip. So again, I just want a couple little extra little curls right here in the front.
Well, come through and chill, just say you will. Come through and chill, just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, yeah.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time?
This curler also is cute if you want those little tight spiral curls. Like, the curls is just coming out really beautiful. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Oh, this is cute, y'all. This is too cute. I love this. But guys, this is the end of the hair review. hair tutorial. Again guys, all the information will be in the description box below, and also the products I use to apply the wig will also be in the description box below. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.